You're not the only one who can't decide between the DJI Air 3S and Mini 4 Pro. With their latest releases, DJI has been really good, making it difficult for travelers and drone lovers to choose which drone is best for them. We'll compare the features, performance, and use cases of these two amazing drones today to help you decide which one should be in your kit bag. This comparison will provide you with the clarity you need, regardless of whether you're a pro trying to improve your photos or a casual enthusiast searching for simplicity. First up, let's talk design and portability, something every drone user cares about. The DJI Mini 4 Pro lives up to its name as a true lightweight contender. Weighing in at just 249 grams, it's super easy to carry. And better yet, its sub 250 gram weight means you won't have to jump through hoops with drone regulations in most countries. Perfect for casual flyers who just want to grab their drone, head out and fly without much fuss. On the flip side, the DJI Air 3S is a bit bulkier at 724 grams, which pushes it into a higher regulatory category. You'll need to register it with the FAA in the US or pass some certification in countries like the UK and EU. But with that extra weight comes a more robust build and a serious bump in tech, which brings us to the next point. Camera capabilities. If camera quality is your top priority, the Air 3S takes the lead here. The Air 3S features a dual camera system, a wide-angle lens with a large 1K sensor and a medium telephoto lens, both offering 10-bit 4K video at 60 FPS. The larger sensor is a game-changer in low-light conditions, making the Air 3S an ideal choice for professional photographers and videographers looking for detailed shots in darker environments. You also get the flexibility to shoot raw photos and up to 120 FPS slow-motion video. The Mini 4 Pro, while featuring a single camera, does a stellar job for its size. It comes with a 1x1.3" sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 60 FPS with options for slow motion at 120 FPS. The Mini 4 Pro might not match the dual camera setup of the Air 3S, but it's more than capable of delivering stunning footage. For those who prioritize simplicity and ease of use, this drone is an excellent choice. Safety is a big concern when flying drones, and both DJI models are packed with features to keep your drone and surroundings safe. Both drones come with DJI Signature GPS-based return to home and obstacle avoidance systems. But the Air 3S steps it up a notch with LiQWYD-powered sensors for superior obstacle detection, especially in low-light conditions or tricky terrains. It's like having a sixth sense while flying, making it the safer option for more complex shoots. It's perfect for professional users who need advanced obstacle detection to ensure smooth crash-free flying. The Mini 4 Pro also impresses with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, but its smaller size and lighter weight make it slightly less robust in high winds or when navigating more challenging environments. Still, the Mini 4 Pro is more than enough for casual drone users and hobbyists who primarily fly in less demanding settings. Both drones impress with long flight times, but the DJI Air 3S edges out the competition here, with up to 45 minutes of flight time on a single charge in ideal conditions. The Air 3S gives you plenty of time to capture that perfect shot or explore new areas. Plus, its Fly More combo includes additional batteries, giving you even more airtime without frequent recharges. The Mini 4 Pro offers up to 34 minutes of flight time with its standard battery. However, it can be extended to 46 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, though it bumps the weight beyond 250 grams, negating its lightweight advantage. Now, let's talk about price. The DJI Air 3S starts at around $199, and if you opt for the Fly More combo with the upgraded controller, you're looking at around $1,599. That's a significant investment, but you're getting pro-level features like dual cameras, advanced obstacle avoidance, and longer flight times. The Mini 4 Pro, on the other hand, is more budget-friendly, starting at $759 with the RCN2 controller and going up to $959 for RC2 controller. It's a more affordable option, plus with the Fly More combo priced at $1,099. You're getting a great value for a highly portable, powerful drone that won't weigh you down. Laterally, which one should you buy? If you are a travel enthusiast, content creator, or professional photographer who needs top-tier camera capabilities and advanced flight features, the DJI Air 3S is worth the extra cost and paperwork. It's packed with pro-level features that can handle demanding environments and capture stunning footage every time. But if you're looking for something lightweight, easy to use, and with fewer regulatory restrictions, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is your best bet. It's a powerhouse in a small package, perfect for beginners or casual flyers who still want excellent performance without breaking the bank or their backs.